The nominees who have taken their effort in filing the nominations in their individual category, in institute category. So, Indian educators, academicians, institutions, edtech, companies, and startups have set an incredible example in front of the whole world during the unprecedented times. By adopting changes, transforming, and reskilling and reinventing, they have done a lot of work in the field of edtech and education. Ardaco Media would like to honor the trendsetters, innovators, education leaders, and institutions and organizations that have been providing excellence and outstanding accomplishment in the education. Ardaco Media Awards 2026 aims to acknowledge those individuals, educational institutions, and edtech companies that have played a key role in transforming the teaching, learning, and employability outcomes. The prestigious award will bring recognition and visibility for an institution, organization, and individual across the education sector. I thank the selection committee and the jury members who have spent their valuable time in evaluating and in the selection process, and I congratulate to all the awardees who have nominated themselves or their institution in the various categories. You truly deserve the recognition and this award. May I invite Deepshika, the MC, to formally announce the winner names, and we can place the awardees' slides one by one. Can we have a nice music to the award in the background, please?
Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to be awarding all of you. Of course, we have a list of awardees, and I hope you're all very, very excited. Let's start with the names. Nomination category: Outstanding Institute with Excellence Infrastructure and Green Campus Initiative 2026. Who could be the winner? And the organization, the winning organization is, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute. Huge round of applause. Come on, everybody. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, we have the category Innovation in Higher Education and Skills Enhancement 2026. And the winning organization is, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome on stage Arunachal University of Studies. Congratulations, huge round of applause. Fantastic, beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, all right, we have the winner for Outstanding Institute with Excellence Infrastructure and Green Campus Initiative 2026. And we have the winner amongst us right now, Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute. Thank you very much. All right. Now, moving on, Education 2026. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the organization is none other than MIT University of Meghalaya. Let's welcome Dr. Deepmalia Bhattacharya, Pro Vice Chancellor Registrar, Director, IK, AC, and Dean, School of Science and Technology. Congratulations. Huge round of applause. Thank you. All right, moving on to the next category. And the next category is Outstanding Institute in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2026. And ladies and gentlemen, the winning organization is the Reality Public School. Congratulations to Mr. Kiran Kundu, Principal of the schools. Huge round of applause, Ms. Kiran Kundu. Looking absolutely lovely, mesmerizing. Thank you very much, and congratulations. Moving on to the next category, which is Outstanding Institute in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2026. And the winning organization is Assam Women's University. Congratulations. Here's your applause. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on towards the next category, and the next category is Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2026. And the winner is Arunachal University of Studies. Congratulations. Let's welcome with a huge applause Mr. Vishwa Lochan, MD and Pro-Chancellor of the university. And the next category is Emerging Leader in Higher Education 2026. And the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, drum rolls, Sri Anirudhdeva Sports University. Congratulations to Mr. Pankaj Bothakur, the registrar. Here's your applause. Congratulations. Moving on to the next category of awards, and the next category is Outstanding Institute in Journalism and Mass Communication 2026. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner organization is Dayananda Sagar University. Congratulations! Huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Congratulations. All right, moving on to the next category, and the next category is Fastest Growing AI-Led EdTech Platform. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is collegeapply.com. Huge round of applause and congratulations to collegeapply.com. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Most Promising School for Academic Excellence 2026. And the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, Maharshi Gurukul Academy, Sansari. Congratulations. Huge round of applause. Moving on to the next category. Next category is Leading Preschool Chain Regional 2026. And the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, Kid Vida Preschool Guwahati. Congratulations. Huge round of applause. Thank you very much. Moving on to the next category, and the next category is Outstanding Principal of the Year. I think you might be very interested in knowing this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the principal of Sonali Adersha Vidyalaya. Congratulations to Mr. Kamal Hassan. Congratulations, Zordar Talia. Huge applause. Moving on to the next category of awards, Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, the winning organization is Himalayan University. Congratulations to Professor Dr. Prakash Divagaran, Vice Chancellor of Himalayan University, Itanagar. Congratulations. Huge applause. Come on, everybody. That's all. Thank you. And the last category of this award ceremony is Outstanding Leadership in Higher Education 2026. All right, let's say it out loud, the winner's name. All right, everybody. Who could be the winner? Any guesses? I think the winner knows who he is. All right, Professor Dr. Ginyal William, Vice Chancellor, ICFI University, Mizoram. Huge applause, everybody. Congratulations. Come on, everybody. इतने कम से नहीं होगा. I think everybody should have a round of applause for all the winners. Thank you very, very much. That is beautiful. All right. So kindly come onto the stage for a group picture for a beautiful memory to keep with ourselves, with your trophies, of course.